Hi folks, it's BB, your Smart Academic Coordinator here. You may remember me from the first lesson that you did. I was your substitute. Today I'm going to show you how to make guacamole. Guacamole is a delicious snack that is important to me because I grew up with it. I'm from Southern California. And Central and South American food is huge in Southern California. Southern California wouldn't be what it is without Central and South Americans. And so my friends taught me how to make guacamole so I wouldn't have to pay extra at restaurants. Before we get started, two things. Number one, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly whenever you prepare food, especially if you're preparing food for people you love. And number two, never, ever, ever use a knife without adult supervision. Okay, so let's hop into it. There are four main components to guacamole. You need avocado, a white onion, lime, and tomatoes. You only need those four ingredients, plus a little bit of salt and pepper to make it taste good. Always gotta add the spices, always gotta add the flavor. Do is cut up 3 ripened avocado. Your avocado pitted and put into the bowl, I want you to add your lime and then mash up the avocado so that there's still rather big chunks. With the lime juice in because the lime juice helps break it down. So I mashed it up and I left big chunks because we're going to mash it up more later. The next step is to add onion. Okay, we're going to add the white onion to the avocado. And we're going to mix it up a little bit. The last main ingredient to add is tomato. We are going to open up the tomato, gut the inside, and then just use the skin. add the tomatoes, but we're gonna hold for a second because we're gonna add salt and pepper. Instead of smashing it, we're going to stir it around because we don't want to smash the tomatoes. Done. And that is how you make beautiful, colorful guacamole.